dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night. I hustle hard to live in city life. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night. I hustle hard to live in city life. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night.
You can't stop my shine.
See, my goal was to get out the hood and live good. The better life, but some things we did got misunderstood by outsiders, mainly dick riders, trying to infiltrate. Yo, it wasn't about the money and fame, I was trying to elevate. Get a passport and move to another state. Ducking child support while I fight another case. Like the gingerbread man, I was on a paper chase. High flights and jurisdictions, hit the ground running, Sin City on a mission. I told my G's I was dipping with a new plan and a new vision, but I still had a few issues I had to handle. Pop in and pop out and blow out candles. Got my dough right, then I moved out the family. Me and P's taking birthday trips to Miami. I quarterback more backs home than Montana. Most wanted on the post, Jake's got me on camera. Feds on my ass, I got caught with the hammer. So jumping through loopholes, as I ain't going back to the slammer. It's G-Code, we live by the
Hard to
anthem.
live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night. I hustle hard to live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night. I hustle hard to live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night.
You can't stop my shine.
See, these roads that we travel got twisted turns. I never envy the next man, I just waited my turn. Every loss that I took was a new lesson learned. For me to better myself, not get ahead of myself. I seen homeboys turn cause I was doing for self. Even though I showed love and tried to give them some help, put them all on. Then they prayed for my downfall, so I had to step back and cut them all off. Just in case I gotta cock back and season they brawl. Trying to figure shit out, I know they tellin' for sure. Shit got real when 12 came and knocked on my door. I hear them talking tough Tony, but they really some morons. See, they think that I'm rich cause the way that I ball. I'm from the mean streets of B-more where the winner take all. Still singing the dope boy anthem while pitching the raw. My story took me out the hood and they put me on tour. With the great Capadon, I put some plaques on the wall. Still living that street life where the fiends go hard. Niggas are shooting all night like it's NBA ball, but I'ma aim for the moon and still shine like a
Hard to
star.
live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night. I hustle hard to live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night. I hustle hard to live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. There's so much wrong, I gotta make it right. Every day and night.
You can't stop my shine.
I hustle hard to live in city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights. Living my dreams under the city lights.